Unlocking productivity with Zapier.
Zapier is a powerful online tool that helps tech professionals automate repetitive, time-consuming tasks. By connecting your favorite apps and services, Zapier lets you build custom workflows, called Zaps, so you can focus on meaningful work, not busy work. Automating processes with Zapier can save you hours each week and streamline your daily routine.
What is Zapier and how does it work?
Zapier acts as a bridge between different apps, allowing them to communicate and share information automatically. Each automated workflow, or Zap, starts with a trigger, an event in one app that prompts a specific action in another. For example, you can set up a Zap to automatically save Gmail attachments directly to Google Drive.
Getting started, setting up your first Zap.
To begin, sign up for a free Zapier account, browse available apps, and select a trigger, such as receiving a new email. Next, choose your desired action, like adding a new row to a spreadsheet. Zapier's guided setup walks you through connecting your accounts and customizing each step to match your workflow needs.
Popular Zapier use cases for tech professionals.
Tech professionals often use Zapier to automate tasks like posting updates across project management tools, backing up data, syncing calendars, or alerting teams to new support tickets. Whether you're managing software releases or monitoring code repositories, Zapier can reduce manual effort and prevent important steps from slipping through the cracks.
Tips for successful automation.
Start small. Automate one simple task to get familiar with Zapier's logic and features. Regularly review and update your Zaps as your needs evolve. Explore multi-step Zaps for more advanced workflows, and use built-in filters or conditions to tailor automations. With practice, you'll discover new ways to save time and boost efficiency every day.